A lot of reaction on Facebook today to a Gun Lake area pizza shop suddenly being hit with a big bill. Mitten Pizzeria was given an electric bill for close to 20 grand.
The electric company says the bill is the result of mistakenly undercharging the pizzeria for years. Now the community is trying to help out.
News 8's Heather Walker has our story, new at 6.
The owner of the small Gun Lake Pizzeria says it can't afford that large bill and it could cause the shop to shut down.
It's not the type of bill you like to open up and find in your mailbox.
Any way you slice it, close to 20 grand is a big bill for any business, especially a locally owned pizza joint in Middleville.
Mitten Pizza?
Mitten Pizzeria owner Jamie Zichterman says he called Great Lakes Energy to find out why his bill went from less than $500 to almost 20 grand. And he was told that a second meter at the business wasn't being read. The new bill was a reflection of the corrected difference owed for the past year.
We budget off of our bills. You know, I was getting a bill every month and we paid it every month. You know, if I knew it was going to be $1,800 or $2,500 a month, that's fine. I'm happy to pay what we use, but I have to know about it, you know, so I could have easily had 2 less people a shift and we would have made the money.
According to the statement, Zichterman needs to dish up the dough by tomorrow. I'm just wondering if there's anything that can be done to remedy this.
Sure. We always work with our members. We're an electric cooperative.
News 8 spoke with Great Lakes Electric over the phone today. Is the company willing to reduce the amount that it's asking for because it was the company's fault in this case?
Well, any type of specific account information, we would need to discuss that with the member business and with Mitten Pizza.
All right, hey man, thank you so much. I appreciate it.
The electric company wouldn't go into any details, but says it is trying to work with the owner. In the meantime, community members have already offered to raise money to save the pizza shop.
A buddy of mine told me a long time ago that as long as you take care of the community around you, they'll always take care of you as well, and it's definitely true.
In Middleville, Heather Walker, News 8.